Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question x minus 2 into x plus 3x minus 4 equal to 24. What is the sum of the possible values of x? So question is, what is the sum of the possible values of x? So first of all we will find out the values of x and then we will add and then we will try to opt any option out of these five options. Option A is 9, B7, C5, D3 and E1. So let's solve this equation first. So this is our given question, x minus 2 into x plus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 24. So first we will multiply. So first we will multiply these two terms, and after multiplication we will multiply this third term. So first we will multiply these two terms. So for multiplication of these two terms, first we will multiply this x with this, so it will become x squared, then this x with this, so it will become 3x, and then minus 2x, and then minus 2 multiply 3 minus x. Now x squared plus 3x minus 2x equal to x and minus 6. So it will become x square plus x minus 6 into x minus 4 equal to 24. So now we will multiply these terms with these. So when we multiply this x with x square with x, so it will become x cubed, then minus 4x square, then x square plus, and then minus minus then this minus 6 with this x, so it will minus 6 and then minus with this minus, so plus, and 24 equal to 24. Now this x cube minus 4x square plus x square, so this will become minus 3x square, and this minus 4x minus 6x will become minus 10x and plus 24. So x cube minus 3x square and minus 10x and plus 24 equal to 24. And now we will send this 24 on other side of the equation. So the equation will become 24 minus 24 will become 0. And now x cube minus 3x square minus 10x equal to 0. So x is common in all these three terms. So we will take x as common. And now we will compare this x equal to 0 and this whole term equal to 0. So it will become x is equal to 0 and x square minus 3 minus 10 equal to 0. So now we have one value of x which is 0, and now we will try to find out some other values from this quadratic equation. So this is our quadratic equation. So let's factorize this. So we can factorize this equation into this minus 3x into plus 2x minus 5x, which is again equal to minus 3x equal 0. So now we will take x common from here and 5 common from here. So let's take the common. So after taking common x from here, the remaining term will be x over here and plus 2 over here, and similarly when we take minus 5 common, so the remaining term will be x, and this minus and minus will become plus, or you can say, and this minus will multiply this plus, so again it will become minus, so the remaining term will be 2 equal to 0. So now there are two terms, one is this and one is this. So x plus 2 is common. So let's take this x plus 2 as common. So after taking x plus 2 is common, remaining term here is x, and remaining term here is minus 5. So it's minus 5 equal to 0. And now we will compare these two terms with 0, that is x plus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 5 equal to 0, and then x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 5. So overall we have three values of x. First x equal to 0, which we have find out before this, and now these two values. So overall we have these three values of x. So according to question, sum of values of x, so 0 plus minus 2 and plus 5, this is equal to minus 2 plus 5, and minus 2 plus 5 equal to 3. So sum of values of x is equal to 3. Now this was our question. X minus 2x into x plus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 24. What is the sum of the possible values of x? So guys, now you can determine what is the right answer. So this is the right answer. D is the right answer. So this was the answer of this question. I hope you will have understand this question. If you have any kind of question, you can also ask in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.